Listen to the conversation, then answer the question. Which dish does Mrs. Smith order? A. Seared salmon. B. Roasted vegetables. C. Filet mignon. D. Truffle mashed potatoes.
Good evening. Welcome to Le Bistro. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. Under the name Smith.
Ah, yes. Right this way, please. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with any drinks tonight?
I'll have a glass of your house red, please.
And I'll have a sparkling water with lemon, please.
Very good. And would you like to hear about our specials tonight?
Yes, please.
Tonight we have seared salmon with roasted vegetables and a filet mignon with truffle mashed potatoes. Both dishes are very popular and I highly recommend them.
Those both sound great. I think I'll go with the salmon.
And I'll have the filet mignon, medium rare, please.
Excellent choices. I'll put in your order right away.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith are at a restaurant. Now answer the question. Which dish does Mrs. Smith order? A. Seared salmon. B. Roasted vegetables. C. Filet mignon. D. Truffle mashed potatoes. Leave your answer in the comments.